Working with cybersecurity assessments and got an NSR file from a Nessus vulnerability scan? These contain critical security findings about your network. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Nessus security report files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling NSR files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. NSR files are security report files generated by Nessus, the widely used vulnerability assessment scanner from Tenable. They contain detailed scan results including discovered hosts, identified vulnerabilities, security misconfigurations, and remediation recommendations used by security professionals for vulnerability management and compliance reporting. NSR files use Nessus's legacy proprietary format, storing scan results with host information, vulnerability, findings, severity ratings, CVE references, and remediation guidance. The structure includes scan metadata, target details, plugin output, and audit trail information following Tenable's documented Nessus report specification. When viewing the file metadata, the NSR shows a direct link to Nessus from Tenable. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows displays only foundational metadata, so analyzing the content requires dedicated software. Open the context menu on the NSR file and choose Open With. Your priority is testing Nessus. If it fails or is absent, select another program and test until you get access. If you are still having trouble opening the NSR file, do not worry. This NSR file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, opening in Nessus. Import the NSR file into Nessus through the Nessus web interface using the Upload Report function. Nessus parses the report data displaying vulnerability findings in its standard interface, enabling filtering analysis, remediation tracking, and integration with vulnerability management workflows. Next, converting to modern format. Convert legacy NSR files to current Nessus format like Nessus XML using Tenable's conversion utilities, or by rerunning scans against the same targets. Modern formats provide better integration with Tenable.io, Tenable.sc, and third-party security tools used in current vulnerability management programs. Finally, generating reports. Use Nessus reporting features to generate human-readable reports from NSR data in formats like PDF, HTML, or CSV. These reports communicate vulnerability findings to stakeholders, technical teams, and compliance auditors, providing clear documentation of security assessment results for remediation planning. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.